Hi viewer, today I would like to show you all how to use image presentation layout option for post on Facebook app. Let's have a look. First, open Facebook app. Make sure your Facebook app up to date. Tap Photo. Now select multiple image from your photo gallery. When photos are selected, tap Next on top right. The new options appear at the bottom of the post composer, giving you 4 different image display formats to choose from. From bottom, choose a layout. By default, it's classic. Tap Columns, Banner or Frame. Choose a layout and Post. You can edit layout anytime. So these are the steps to use image presentation layout option for posts on Facebook app. Hope this video help you. Please subscribe my channel by tap subscribe button. Also tap the bell icon to receive notifications about all new videos.